Is your Nissan Titan displaying no key detected or key ID incorrect? This usually happens when your key fob battery is dead. Nissan Titans from 2004 onwards use a keyless entry system. The fob's battery powers a transmitter and RFID chip that communicates with your car. When the battery dies, this communication fails, preventing ignition. Don't worry, there are a few quick bypass methods to get you back on the road. Remember that a more permanent fix is replacing the battery. For push-button start Titans from 2016 onward, try placing the fob close to the start button, like in the cup holder, while pressing and holding the brake and start button. The system might still detect the transponder. Older Titans from before 2016 often have a hidden mechanical key slot in the door handle or fob. Use this key to unlock the door manually and start the ignition. Replace the fob battery as soon as possible, and if you have a second key fob or valet key, use that for now. Remember, these are temporary workarounds. Get the fob serviced or replace the battery quickly. For models 2023 and newer, Nissan released a software update that enhances battery low warning, displays alerts when fob battery levels drop below 20%.